Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install R on Debian 11. First, update the system package index and upgrade all installed packages to the latest. Next, we need to install the R base package, which contains the basic R functions that let you perform arithmetic operations and basic programming in R. Use the following command to install. Now, we will launch R. To exit R, type the following command. Then press Enter. When prompted to save the workspace image, answer Y to save the workspace, N to exit without saving, or C to cancel and return to R. Many useful R functions come in packages, free libraries of code written by R's active user community. To install an R package, open an R session and type at the command line. Here, we will install the txtplot package. The txtplot library can output many different kinds of charts in ASCII. Next, load the txtplot package. For example, plot the speed and distance required for a car to stop, using R's default datasets package. The output looks like this. And to learn more about the txtplot library, run the following command.